Welcome back, guys, to another video, slime video, and today I have air freshener. You don't know why I have air freshener, but I have air freshener. And just put the sugar in this cup. There is sugar, and I have paint color. I also, let me get it out, have borax already made, which I don't need that right now. Just in case anything goes wrong, I have borax made in this cup. So guys, I'm doing another slime video, and what I have is I have a whole bunch of, I have only 2 slimes, but I'm going to be making really good, pretty slimes. So first I have this purple slime right here. You probably can't see this is the sugar, but because sugar makes it sweet, smells sweet. It is pokey. I added air freshener into it yesterday. Smell. If you guys couldn't smell that, it's fine. Pretend that you smelled it, and it smells like neutralize odors. Smell Hawaiian sunset. Pretend you smell Hawaiian sunset. Yes. Okay, watch this, guys. Hi guys, I think I can see you. Okay, that's that slime. And whenever we get into the video, we have this mystery step. So let's get video. Yo. So I'm gonna be just taking this purple slime, setting it here. This is a mystery pink slime. Well, it's not a mystery now, since I just told you. It's pink slime. I spray painted this. It was a glass jar. So, look at this, guys. This is really pretty. So, I'm just going to be adding some pink paint. Guys, it is... Oh, man. It is around 9:30 at night, guys. I'm doing a video. So I think about it in a pink paint. I think about a little bit of sugar there. And 2 small squirts of air freshener. Now I'm just going to mix this up. And I have borax just in case anything goes wrong. Then I could fix it. So guys, nothing is going wrong. And look at this. It's a pretty pink. I just added some sugar, some pink paint, and some air freshener into this. It smells like borax and glue. It's okay. So guys, now we're going to just make this purple one. I'm going to see if I can make it pink. I'm just going to see. So I'm just going to take some borax. I don't need it now, but I'm just going to add it into this. Pour it is. And pour it in this pink paint. Just in case I need it. Now I'm just going to pour this pink stuff into this borax. And make this some pink borax. Guys, this is pink borax. It's pink. That is pure borax.